Hello, my name is Samantha Burrows, and I'm here to talk to you about endangered species. Endangered species are those that are dying out right now, today. Many of them are being threatened by human activities such as deforestation.
Adventure! Oh hey, I didn't see you there. My name's Sherman, and I'm from 42 Wallaby Way, Sydney. And this is Adventures into the Wild, Tree Hole Crab Edition. Now you might be wondering, what's a tree hole crab? I don't have a clue. Let's go to our scientists in the lab to find out. Don't wait!
Hey,
Do you know anything about tree hole crabs?
well, the East African tree hole crab can be found in Liberia or Guinea. They live in holes in trees which are filled with water.
Alright. So, what's so important about the tree hole crab anyways?
Well, they have quite a small population, so it's pretty difficult to figure out how much effect they have on their environment. They do provide calcium. If there's water, the calcium in the water. And pregnant women, natives there, will drink that to prevent miscarriages. They also help us understand evolution because they are the first, or one of the first, crabs to ever live on land and be completely independent from a body of water.
Neato. You're not finished, I'm sorry.
Sorry. And the environment, we think that the crab doesn't have a huge effect on the environment, so if for some reason it actually did completely go extinct, we don't think there would be any negative effects.
Alright, so tell me, is the tree hole crab susceptible to genetic risk?
Well, things like deforestation, which affects the entire forest, and then also affects the ability for the tree hole crab to survive. Those are definitely affecting the crab. So we'd say that it's susceptible to genetic risk through human activities, but other than that, we're not really sure how much it can, how susceptible it is.
So say you capture the tree hole crab, right? And you breed it in captivity, then you release them into the environment again, but there's too many. What would happen?
Well, we don't think that it would be a big problem because it occupies its own niche. So if there happened to be a population that would not be considered endangered, we don't think there would be any major problems with it.
Alright, I have one more question for you.
Alright.
Where can I find this crab?
West Africa, look in a tropical rainforest.
Alright, to Africa. After consulting our scientists, I took a trip to Liberia, Africa. Now, you want to make sure if you're going to find the crab that you're going to be nice and quiet so that they can't hear you approaching. Now, it's places like this that the crab really likes to be in. Now, it's this type of rainforest, as you can see, it's a rainforest, that it really likes to go in tonight. I soon found out it would be harder to get to the crabs because I would have to cross a terrible bridge. Alright, now be careful, this bridge might go out any moment. After venturing over the bridge, I found the perfect place to find a tree hole crab. Trees like these that you can find the tree hole crab. Look at here, here's a hole. Let's see if we can find one. get this one in here, alright? Wee little thing it is. Might be a baby. Isn't she a beauty? Unfortunately, the treehole crab has been placed on the red list of threatened species by IUCN and is classified as endangered. The population is at risk because of habitat loss. As human population expands, deforestation of forests that are essential to the crab's life occurs. Once I got out of the tree, I decided to watch some news.
My name is Joanna Walker, bringing you the latest information regarding the situation of the critically endangered treehole crab. Scientists here in North Carolina are working on a solution to end their extinction. Through captive breeding, they hope to restore the population of treehole crabs and reintroduce them into their natural habitat in Liberia. Activists are also working on a treaty to end the present war in Liberia, which has been destroying their habitat. Additionally, pieces of legislation are being introduced to end deforestation in this area, which has also been one of the main causes of their extinction. Through all three of these measures, scientists hope to restore the population of the treehole crabs and to learn more as to how these unique creatures adapted to living on land, one of the first species of their kind to do so.
Well, wasn't that informative? Unfortunately, we've run out of time. See you next week on another episode of Adventures into the Wild. Almost fell there. Now it's in holes like these that you can find the treehole crab. Let's take a peek and see if we can find one.